Right now, your AI tools probably have access to more than you think. Not because they are dangerous, because nobody tells you what happens after you connect them. You add a tool, paste an API key, it works, and you move on. But where did that key go? Which tool can you use it? What can they access? And if something starts running in the background, would you even know? Here is what most people miss. Connecting AI to your tool is easy. Controlling those connections is the hardest part. And that's exactly what the MCP Gateway solves. Let's say you connect 5 tools to your AI, maybe Google Drive, GitHub, email, a database, and a task manager. Everything works. Great. But behind the scene, each connection often has its own setup, its own configuration, its own credential, its own background process. Now, multiply that by 5 or 10 or 20. Suddenly, you have connections everywhere. And here's the real issue. Most people have no single place to answer simple questions. What's connected, what's running, what has access to what happened yesterday, which tool made the change. The tool aren't the problem, the lack of visibility is. When something goes wrong, you are left digging through files, logs, and settings trying to understand what's happening. That's not a scalable way to work with AI. And here is the scary part. Most people don't discover this problem until after something breaks. This is the exact problem we kept running into ourselves. So we built the solution, the MCP Gateway. The idea is simple. Instead of every tool creating its own door into your system, everything goes through one control door, one gateway, one place to see every connected tools, one place to manage access, one place to understand what's happening. Every MCP connection appears in a single list. You decide what's allowed, you decide what's blocked, and every action is recorded. No guessing, no hidden activity, no scattered setup. Most importantly, it works alongside the tool you already use. Claude Desktop, your existing MCP tools, your existing workflow, nothing gets replaced. You simply gain visibility and control. Because once your AI can access everything, control becomes more important than connection. Here is what that looks like in practice. Open the MCP Gateway, immediately you see every connected tools. No searching, no config file, no terminal windows. Everything right there. Need a tool enabled? One click. Need it disabled? One click. Don't want a tool running today. Block it. Done. Now watch what happens when an AI tool wants to perform an action. Instead of talking directly to the connected service, the request comes to the gateway first. The gateway checks the rules. Is this allowed? If yes, the request continues. If not, it stops immediately. And every action gets recorded. You know what happened. You know when it happened. And you know which tool did it. That's the difference between hoping things are working correctly and actually knowing. Most people focus on what AI can do. Very few ask who is controlling it. So here's the difference. Before, connections everywhere. Credentials scattered across multiple files. Background service running without you noticing. No easy way to see what's happening. After, one gateway, one place to manage your tools. One place to control access. One place to see exactly what's happening. Your tools still work exactly the same. Your AI still works exactly the same. The difference is that now you are in the control. That's what the MCP Gateway brings to GainWix AI Studio: visibility and control, and a safer way to connect AI to your real work. If you like to learn more about GainWix AI Studio, see a live demo, or have questions about how it fits into your workflow, visit our website or get in touch with our team. We are happy to help.